In front of me is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access Privacy Protection. Then click on Protection at the top, scroll all the way down and choose App Permissions. Finally, select Apps section and click on one of your apps that you wish to manage, like Chrome. Then tap on one of your device's features. I will go with Access Camera. Finally, tap on the best option for you. Deny, notify while using the app, or always allow. I will go with deny, so when I click, Chrome no longer has access to manage my device's camera. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!